Hey nature lovers, tag along with us today as we find some cool things along the trails at Strathroy's conservation area. So I took you to spot it, some really cool beaver activity in Strathroy right by the river. Ambitious beavers around here. This is a great little park. We've come here a couple of different times in the summer, in the winter, and it's just really nice. I've seen deer and beavers and lots of different things. Together because Chloe's still such a young dog and I'm trying to videotape stuff and show you things or take photographs of different things, I end up getting left behind a lot, and then I have to kind of either jog forward or do something to catch up to them because they're just kind of off in the distance. Who's pulling? Yeah, you are pulling. Along, and now we are in London, Ontario, doing a little bit of things, and we are at Watson Street Park, as you can see behind me. We're just going to take Chloe for another jaunt. Check out this leaf. Wow!
That is a London plane tree, people.
Holy!
London plane tree.
Hold it up again. That's crazy. Look at how big that is. Here you go. We're gonna go over here.
Where's the Chloe? Chloe's coming to get me.
I was playing these leaves if I thought I wouldn't get soaking wet, but I'm pretty sure I would get soaking wet. I'm not a kid anymore. Hey, it's Tricia from Nature Lover Canada. Just wanting to thank you for watching our video today, and we hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button and you're going to get new videos every Thursday absolutely free. So go ahead, give it a click.